Do not buy 12 Tribes on Earth hair growth oil and hair magic elixir unless you want super healthy, gorgeous hair that grows. They have a whole line of amazing hair growth products, including hair growth leave-in conditioner spray, hair growth shampoo, hair growth spray, and hair growth butter. I'm starting to sense a theme here. They include quality natural ingredients. They smell amazing, and you can see the results for yourself. So if you're looking for healthy hair growth for your natural or relaxed hair, try 12 Tribes on Earth today.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the last few days, I have been doing videos on the stock market and the crash that occurred Thursday, Friday, Monday. Well, it was not the only thing that crashed. Bitcoin also crashed right along with it. Now, some of y'all may brush it off and see it as nothing, but I really think there is something different about this. Do I think it will go up? Yeah, it's going to go up. It's going to fluctuate. But there was something interesting said in a recent interview on Forbes. And I want to do this story so you can listen to what was said. Now, Coinbase said, don't be fooled. What you're seeing with these crashes is serious. They said this is a serious warning. Now, when the stock market lost $2.9 trillion in just a few hours, crypto, Bitcoin, lost $800 billion, and the crypto price also crashed. So Bitcoin and the wider crypto market has suffered a major crash in a broader market downturn that could be hit by a serious bombshell this week. And I'm like, wow, well, interesting, that they're coming out with this. So they're saying to be poised for gains, but there are going to be more crashes coming in the future. And they said you're going to see these crashes more often. So before the crash, the Bitcoin price was 70,000 per Bitcoin. After the crash, it went under 50,000. In July, amid the excitement over Donald Trump's game-changing plans for Bitcoin, the combined Bitcoin and crypto market has lost around $800 billion since, they said, June of this year. They've lost that amount of money. Now, despite billionaire investor Mark Cuban making a crazy Bitcoin price prediction, the head of the institutional research at crypto exchange Coinbase has warned of further Bitcoin. He said the Bitcoin is going to drop even more than what you're seeing at the time of the crash. It's going to come down even more. So we believe that these market jitters will persist in the short term, but it's possible that shorts could get squeezed here, which could lead to a market rebound. They said it could possibly rebound, but don't be fooled into thinking that this market disruption is over. That's what they're saying. The crypto market began crashing on Sunday as Japan stocks sold off due to an unwinding of the massive Japanese yen carry trade. The carry trade, in which investors borrow in currency with low interest rates and reinvest the proceeds at higher yielding assets everywhere. It began unwinding when the Bank of Japan hiked its benchmark interest rates last week. and was called the biggest carry trade the world has ever seen. So they said, this is all coming from Bitcoin. Duong said recession fears could yet intensify in the weeks ahead. Now, I personally believe a recession is already here, and it's not going to be told because it's an election year. The market could crash a few more times leading up to the election. They're never going to admit it's a recession under the Democratic watch. They're not going to admit it. So we think this phase may last through the Fed's decision in mid September. Subsequently, we retain our forecast for a choppy market in the third quarter, but also believe that this pullback does not represent the start of a new market cycle. Rather, the current sell off is consistent with our defensive approach in the third quarter and more constructive outlook on the fourth quarter. So they said these crashes will definitely test our conviction. So, I mean, do you believe them? They're saying it's going to be more crashes more often. You know, all of the other analysts, when I was reading their stuff, they're, oh, this will last a few days. We'll be out of it in a few days. And this is the only one I've read so far that said, no, this is not going to just disappear in a few days. It's going to occur again and again, and you may see it all throughout the third quarter. Bitcoin's decline over the last few days has been outpaced by some smaller currencies, with the downturn expected to wipe out some of the so called altcoins. The prevailing negative mood is particularly detrimental to altcoins, many of which are experiencing, you know, a lot of instability and market cap erosion. Mm-mm-mm. So they're saying some of the altcoins currently that you see out there may not survive the ongoing market correction. So they're expecting a lot of these altcoins to disappear. That's what they're saying. Wow. This is something else. But y'all, please tell me what you think. Do you think that? And they also mentioned in this article how people are still having a hard time connecting to their account. So even if you wanted to sell off your Bitcoin, you may have a problem logging in. They're saying there is a problem with the CAPTCHA service and reCAPTCHA service. And and people are getting this over and over as things are crashing, and it keeps saying please check your internet connection and reload to get a reCAPTCHA challenge. And this has been persisting for a while now, since the market was hit with that technology global outage. Well, that's still going on, and it's impacting even the services that you log in to access your Bitcoin. That's impacted too. So you may see the market falling, and your initial thought, let me get in there and get my money, and you may not be able to get in there at all. I'm just saying. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.